What's going on, guys? It's me, Linsay, with LinsayMoore.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you 10 sites that will help you to make $100 per day in 2019. And yes, as I'm filming this is still November of 2018. You can still go ahead and get a head start on it, of course, but I want to give you guys some of the sites that will still work for you in 2019 as well. So the first site that we're going to cover is Upwork. Now, Upwork is for freelance everything, okay? So if you have a knack for writing content, you're a social media manager, any type of skills that you have, whether you are a sales funnel creator, any of those type of skills, you can come over here to Upwork and you can actually sell your skills in order to get compensation for it, okay? And I have used Upwork as well. It's a great way for you to outsource small tasks as well. So if you're an internet marketer like me and whatever else, and you just need like small things done, like some video editing, like I said, sales funnel creation and all that type of stuff, things that will actually take you a longer time to actually create, you can come over here to Upwork. You can find a freelancer. You can actually post a job on here, and people will actually submit, like their almost like a resume, but almost kind of like a resume type of thing over here. And you can actually have conversations with the freelancers over here to find somebody who is perfect for the job that you're looking for. So anything that you're good at, if you have any type of good skills, you definitely want to come over here and check out Upwork. And as you guys can see here, it doesn't really have to be super techy, like like web development and mobile development. Those are really good too. But if you have like good customer service skills, you can market your services over here and receive compensation for it. So definitely check it out. That's Upwork. That's the first website we're looking at. Now the second website that we're going to look at, guys, is Clickbank. Now I have done a review about Clickbank before because yes, I'm in the online marketing space, and I do a lot more of affiliate marketing. Now with affiliate marketing, is basically you're going to be promoting other people's products in order to get a commission per every sale that you receive, right? So over here on Clickbank, they have a wide variety of products and info products that you can promote to your audience or your email list or whatever else. So whether you are in health and fitness, your business, e-business, cooking, wine, just just like everything, like you guys can kind of see it over here. You got games, home and garden, parenting, anything that you can think of. They have some type of digital product over here. And like I said, if you already have an existing audience, or if you already know how to kind of market to existing audiences for like health and wellness and things like that, you can come over here, find products on Clickbank, right? Find products on Clickbank. You get an affiliate link for each product that you want to promote. And whenever you get a sale, you'll earn a commission of that sale. And that's what Clickbank is. This is something that I always recommend to a lot of people who are new to affiliate marketing as well, because with a lot of some other like affiliate networks, pretty much, you have to kind of go through like an application process and whatever else. With Clickbank, you don't have to worry about any of that. It's free to join. You just come over here, create a free account, and you can go ahead and start promoting products and digital products or whatever else. So it's very simple to start, and it's very easy to start to generate some income. Like I said, if you this works really good if you already have an audience, or you know how to get in front of a large audience of people in order to sell these products. Now the next one we're going to show you, this is the third site. This is Fiverr. And as you guys can see here, is where businesses are bought and sold. So if you want to get into like the e-commerce space and you don't want to build a business from scratch, like an e-commerce business from scratch, you can definitely come over here to Fiverr. And as you guys can see here, you can click on e-commerce, and you can actually purchase an e-commerce store that's already been built that somebody just wanted to sell, right? You can also buy a software as a service. They have a marketplace over here. Domains, you can buy and sell domains, which is very, very popular as well. I know a lot of people who have actually made a lot of money with that. But you can see here some of the featured businesses here that you can buy. But let's go ahead and click on e-commerce. Oh, slow internet. I don't know, it's taking a long time for it to pull up. But you can see here they have different things that you can get started with as far as getting started with Flippa. I actually attended an event where somebody had made over $100,000 by flipping e-commerce stores. Like, he was really good at creating e-commerce stores from the ground up. And when he come over here to Flippa to sell those stores, what he did was he made sure that he tracked the sales of the stores, showing that there was a you know, starting from here, and it was just constantly growing in sales and revenue each month or whatever else. So he was able to document all of that. So when he came over here to Flippa to sell the stores, he had all the documentation, all the things that somebody would need to do in order to maintain the store or whatever else. But as you guys can see here, look, you can they give you the information about the stores, like Tarantula Tools LLC is already done like $6,000 in revenue, $900 in profit, and they're asking for $40,000 for that particular store. And you can just scroll down here, and like I said, you can just go ahead and buy you a e-commerce store if you just want to go ahead and do that. That's already, you know, that somebody has already kind of built up for you, and all you have to do is just kind of come in and basically fill in the gaps pretty much and continue to market that particular business in order to bring in more revenues. But that's how that works. That's Flippa for you, okay? Now the next site we're going to look at is Shutterstock. Shutterstock. So with Shutterstock, this is where, you know, people can come over here and get access to royalty-free images, really high-quality images. Now they do have an affiliate program where you can actually offer Shutterstock to other people, post it up to your website or whatever else, and earn a commission from it. But something else what you can do is you can become a contributor. So if you are a person who just likes to take a lot of nice pictures, right? I know a lot of people who are bloggers, people who like to take pictures for their Instagram and all those type of things like that. Why not, you know, upload those pictures? And I think they also do videos as well. And you can upload them here and become a contributor and get paid for the content that you submit. So like it says here, you just create high quality images and videos for their customers. You submit that information and you get paid every time your content is downloaded by one of the customers. And you can also layer the affiliate program on top of that. So that's two ways you can actually get paid with Shutterstock, you know, just by becoming a contributor and, you know, repurposing that content that you already taking pictures of. Why not just go ahead and get paid for it as well, okay? Now the next one is something that we're always familiar with, is Amazon, okay? So you can become an Amazon affiliate, right? So anything that you, I know, like for me, like as an internet marketer, there are things and like tools that I use, like my phone stands, my selfie sticks, my high definition camera, like webcam and all that type of stuff. What I do is, like, whenever people want to know what type of equipment I'm using for my business, I let them know about what the equipment is, and I give them a link to my Amazon affiliate link for it. So when they go and buy it, I earn a commission from that. And you can do the same thing as well, right? So it's things that you know that you use or that you want to recommend to other people. Then get an Amazon, become an affiliate for Amazon. It's free, right? And then get the Amazon affiliate link for that particular product, put on your website, put onto your social media. Like if you have a good social media following, especially like on Facebook, and let's say like you have like a lot of back pain or something like that, and you found like an acupuncture mat that's been really helpful to you, why not let people know onto your social media, like, hey guys, I found this new acupuncture pad that's been helping me to relieve my back pain. If you want to know more about it, click on this link, and it brings them to the Amazon store. And if they want to buy it, they can buy it, and you earn a commission. Now, another good thing is that the Amazon links are cookied. So even if they don't buy something on this particular, on that particular trip to the Amazon store, maybe the next time, let's say they go in the next 24 or 48 hours, and they go back to Amazon to buy something, you will actually earn a commission off whatever else that they buy, even if it's something that you didn't even recommend. So that is something that's really awesome with Amazon, okay? So now you have that option. Is my volume really low? Let's see. Try to crank it up a notch. Okay. Now the next one that you can also be a part of is Amazon Handmade. Now, what this is pretty much Amazon's answer to Etsy. So if you are a person who likes to create your create your own jewelry, your own artwork and things like that, as you guys can see here, you can see like these earrings, you can see some Star Wars fan art here, also the what's this, jewelry, anything like that, koozies, all that type of stuff. You can come over here and create an account with Amazon Handmade, and you can start selling your crafts just like Etsy pretty much, right? Just like Etsy pretty much. And you can also sell your products on Etsy as well, and then also sell your products on Amazon Handmade as well too. You can definitely do that as well. Even if you are not the arts and crafts person, if you like to do, if you're interested in doing like print on demand things, like you want to print out t-shirts, print out tote bags and things like that as well, planners and all that type of stuff, you can create those through something like T-Launch or something like that, and you can sell. Probably not T-Launch, but maybe Gear Bubble. I want to say probably Gear Bubble. You can probably create print-on-demand products, come over here and sell them on Etsy and also on Amazon Handmade, okay? So that's what that site is, okay? Now, the next one I want to tell you guys is Kindle Direct Publishing, okay? So as you guys can see here, you can self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free, and you can earn 70% royalties on those ebooks and paperbacks that you do as well. I personally knew somebody who did this. She was doing very well with it. It wasn't up my alley to kind of do this type of thing or whatever else. But there are other YouTubers who have done this in their beginning stages of their online journeys or whatever else. And you can definitely do a YouTube search on that, and you can see the type of results people were getting from Kindle publishing, and that they still are having results with Kindle publishing as well. Now, the next thing we want to cover is text broker. So this is for those people who are writers, okay? So if you like to write and you can, if you don't mind submitting your own content, come over here to text broker, create an account here, and as you guys can see here where it says I write content, you can come over here, submit content, and earn money, right? That's how it works. You can write for text broker. It's free of charge. It's real flexible on your time. It works with your time schedule or whatever else, right? You can receive payment for it, and then they also have different writing resources that's going to help you to become a better writer and refine your skills as well, so that way you can earn higher payments and whatever else and higher commissions. But that's how that works. So if you are a writer, come over here to text broker, create an account, and start submitting content over here. Now, Fiverr is like I call it the baby brother of Upwork pretty much, right? So with Fiverr, the website looks kind of weird. But anyways, with Fiverr, it's basically another freelance website pretty much, right? So if you have any type of skills, you know how to create channel art for YouTube or anything like that, social media memes and all that type of stuff, you can come over here to Fiverr and sell your services over here as a freelancer, okay? Now, when I first heard about Fiverr, like literally everything was really pretty much about $5, and they was doing some of the absolute craziest things on here just to generate $5 per order. Now it's actually kind of grown up a little bit. There are people on there who they call Fiverr pros, pretty much people who are professionals in that particular area or expertise. And you know, in a certain area, let's say like even like with web development or something like that. You have people who can create websites for $5, and then you have people who will create your website for like $1,000. And the reason why they can charge that much is because they are a certified professional in that field, and that's somebody you can definitely trust to know that you're going to get excellent work from. And they will have them actually labeled inside of Fiverr as well. I don't know why Fiverr looking like this. Maybe it's they changed up the interface maybe. Okay, yeah, that looks a little bit better. But that's what Fiverr is. Basically, like I said, it's just a little brother of Upwork, but it's still a great way to sell your skills or whatever else, right? So if you like to do voiceovers, customize websites, logo designs, any of that type of stuff, you have skills in it, create an account over here, sell your skills, and earn some extra income. And then the last one, of course, is YouTube, right? So with YouTube, you can become a YouTube creator on here. Once you hit a certain threshold over here with your content, when you have like over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours, you can actually apply to become a part. You can apply to become a YouTube partner, and that way you can start placing ads onto your YouTube content, and you can earn income from that. Now, that's not the only way you can actually earn income from YouTube, right? What you can do is you can still create content, high quality content that people are already searching for, and then recommend them to your description below the video. And in that description, you can provide links to whatever it is that you're promoting. So if you have a business opportunity that you're promoting, you have your own ebook, you have your own product or services that you want to promote, you can put that information below the video and the description. So that way, when you are getting traffic to your videos, people can look at the description underneath your video. They can see what you're providing, what you're offering, and you can earn sales that way as well. I actually have a video on my YouTube channel, and I actually put a link below this video on the 7 different ways, or it was like 7 or 10 ways that you can actually earn income from YouTube without being a YouTube partner. Okay, so I'll put that link below this video in the description below. But those are the top ways that you can actually, the top 10 sites that you can actually earn $100 per day in 2019, 2018, end of the year, to earn $100 per day, guys. Okay, they're really simple to do. Just find out what you are really good at, what type of skills you have, and choose from one of these sites and actually start, create an account and start submitting content on there, so that way you can start generating income. Okay, so hopefully you find this video helpful, guys. Underneath this video, I will put a link to my #1 recommendation for the best way to make money online. I'll put that link below this video. Also, links to my social media. Also, maybe if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Also, subscribe to this channel. Comment below if you have any questions. And I'll see you guys on the next video.